In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to reset your Instagram Reels recommendations or Explore page, your just feed in general on Instagram. Now, it's really easy to do. First thing you want to do is, of the 5 methods I'm going to show you to do this best possible, is you actually want to open up the Instagram app, where from here in the top right hand corner of the screen, you click on the 3 lines in the top right hand corner. Now, doing so, you just want to scroll down and actually find the option that is called Content Preferences, which under what you see right here. When you click on this, from here what you want to do is you first want to click on the Interested section at the top. Now, as you can see, I'm not interested in any of the reels, but how you actually click if you're interested in a reel is you actually just go to the reel or post like so. From here, you click on the 3 dots on the post and you click on the interested section, which is right here. Now, if you click on interested, it will recommend it a lot more, or if you click on not interested, it will stop recommending posts similar to this, like so. And if we actually go back into the settings panel, again, 3 dots in top right hand corner, scroll down and go to what you see, Content Preferences, you can actually see the not interested ones as well, which include these ones that I have actually selected that I was not interested in. And if you want to select them all, you can actually clear this if you do not want this to be included and you're not interested, so Instagram has a chance of recommending these once again. And the next thing you can do is you can actually go to sensitive content, where you can actually turn on how sensitive you want your content to be. In this case, mine's just on basic standard, but if you want it to be less filtered or even more filtered, you can change it just by doing like so, just by selecting it. And finally, the last way to actually filter or reset your Instagram feed is you can actually just click on political content and you can actually remove this, and you can actually just go to the Instagram Reels itself and click on the interested feature. I recommend doing this for about 20 reels or so that Instagram gets a really good idea of what you like to see and what you don't, and just following people depending on the reels that are happening right here. And that is basically the best way to reset your Instagram Reels feed. Now, it may take a minute, but there's no direct way to do it. I just recommend clicking on interested 3 lines bottom right hand corner and actually just clicking on interested and not interested, and you can actually just filter your feed entirely pretty quickly within the same day of just like 20 minutes of scrolling just by doing that.